There's people trying to jack my car. I'm gonna catch them when they try to steal stuff. There's nothing in there important, so. But just my iPod. But
I got an iPod, man.
oh my God, he got my iPod. Oh. All right, guys. I'm gonna catch him. Oh my God, he just almost looked at me. He almost looked at me. When he comes back, I'm gonna try to catch him, and get all my stuff back, and report him to the police.
I got some stuff in it. Got an iPod in it. Man,
Sorry about that. Hurry up! How the freak long is he gonna take? If a good burglar would take the stuff and then try to run. He doesn't know I'm here. He can't hear me because I know where I am. Hey!
Oh, God!
You get back here! You burglar! You get back here! There he goes. Get back here!